What is Namecoin? Namecoin is a cryptocurrency originally forked from Bitcoin software. A fork is simply a change in a blockchain protocol. Namecoin is based on the code of Bitcoin with additionally functionality built on top of it. Namecoin uses the same proof of work consensus algorithm as Bitcoin. The two currencies are nearly identical. However, Namecoin was developed as the basic for a decentralized domain name system DNS. DNS translate human readable domain name. For example, www.investopedia.com to machine readable IP address, for example 000.0.0.00.gns is the mechanism by which domain identities are linked with numerical IP addresses around the world. The decentralization of this system was intended to put an end to internet censorship and enhance internet related security and privacy. The make of numeric coin Namecoin describes it as an experimentally open secure technology which improves decentralization, security, censorship, resistance, privacy, and speed of certain components of the internet instructions such as DNS and identities. Key takeaways: Namecoin is a cryptocurrency originally forked from Bitcoin software. It was developed to decentralize the infrastructure from the internet and increase privacy and security. Namecoin has lagged behind other cryptocurrencies in terms of value and market capitalization. As of the last 2020, Namecoin traded around $0.40 and its all-time high price was $9.88. Understanding Namecoin. Namecoin retained many ardent supporters who believe that a decentralized DNS system could be critical to long-term censorship reductions. While it's likely that most individuals will not have the need for a bit website or related service, Namecoin could provide some with the tools to connect to an internet free from censorship and central control. While we type text-based website address into internet browser, the internet is actually based on numerical address called IP address. Because a long string of numbers is not that easy to remember, the DNS was created to make internet navigation easier. The DNS can be thought of as the internet's address book. Every time you type a website address into as DNS service is contacted. The DNS service locates the IP address of internet destination service and then retrieves that web page data. The final part of web page domain is called a top of level domain, TLD. All the TLD are controlled by a central authority. For example, the TLD.com is controlled by the Internet Corporation for assigned name and numbers. When a specific complaint arises regarding a web page, the central authority for it, TLD, has ultimate control over the outcome of that grievance in the majority of real world cases. Layers of copyright holders will correspond with the central authority. However, those who are concerned about censorship may find the existence of any central authority that has the power to give commands prob- problematic. By introducing a decentralization DNA system, there can now be TLD that exist that are not owned by anyone. In addition, the querying system for a decentralized DNS is the shared on a peer-to-peer system. With a peer-to-peer system, volunteers run the customized DNS service software and no central authority can intervene in the operation of a TLD. The TLD bit is the first and only TLD of Namecoin domain. The steps for registering a new domain and updating existing one are built into the Namecoin protocol. How is Namecoin different from Bitcoin? Namecoin features number of similarities with Bitcoin. Currently, the top digit currency by market capitalization as of March 1, 2021. The market capitalization of Bitcoins approaching $1 trillion at 926.79 billion dollar. The market capitalization of Namecoin is $22.02 billion. Namecoin was developed as the fork of Bitcoin. A fork is radical change to network protocol that may be initial of service different reason. In the case of Namecoin, the fork was initial to create a new technology and cryptocurrencies offering. While the mining system of Bitcoin and Namecoin is identical, they have separate blockchain. The main difference between Bitcoins and Namecoin is the purpose of the technology.